Welcome back. Today, we are diving into one of Copilot Chat's most powerful tool, context. Context tags act like a spotlight, guiding Copilot's attention to the exact file, function, or code segment you want it to analyze, helping you get sharper, more accurate, and more efficient responses. Before we jump into the examples, let's first walk through the most commonly used context tags. Codebase gives Copilot context of your entire project. Search helps you quickly find function, classes, or keywords. Usage shows where something is being used across your code. Changes review uncommitted edit in your project. In addition to this, Copilot supports several other contexts for specialized tasks. To start, let's look at the most powerful context for seeing the big picture, codebase. Sometimes, you need Copilot to consider your entire project structure, not just the file. That's where Codebase really shines, scanning your entire project to explain structure, relationship, and dependencies. Let's say, if I want to see where a function is used, I can ask Codebase, where is the function getAllUserUsed? Copilot quickly lists all references, saving me from manually checking file after file. Or, if I want to understand the logic in file, I can say, Codebase, explain the logic in user.js. Instead of searching through multiple files, I get instant clarity. Most of the time, you don't need the entire codebase. Just quick lookup. That's where search helps. Finding manually where a function, variable, or keyword is used can take time. With search, Copilot instantly scans your workspace and return precise result. For example, I can ask search find all instances of getAllUsers. Or to locate files containing a specific keyword, I can ask search show me all file containing users. Instead of relying on manual search, Copilot gives me accurate result right inside my IDE. When refactoring or debugging, you need to know exactly where code is being used. That's where usage comes in, tracking every call or references. Here is an example. I can ask usage show all call to getAllUsers. Or if I want to see where a class is being used, I can say usage list all places where getAllUser is used. This makes refactoring safer by ensuring I don't miss any dependencies. Before committing or opening a pull request, it's helpful to see what's changed. With changes, you can review uncommitted edit and how they affect other files. For example, I can ask changes show all modifications since last commit. Or if I want to see how edit in one file affect another file, I can ask changes explain how recent edit in orderController.js affect orderService.js. This makes code review and debugging much easier and faster. We just show how the four main context tags codebase, search, usage, and changes sharpen Copilot focus to deliver more accurate and relevant insight. And remember, the example I said are just beginning. Each of these tags can do much more depending on your workflow. In the next video, we'll shift to commands, powerful shortcut designed to speed up your everyday development task. Please like the video, subscribe for more Copilot tutorial, and share your thought or question in the comment.